Hi guys, you might remember this one if you've watched lots of my videos. It's a radio controlled hairdryer. It's the fan and the tube from a hairdryer. Just stuck wheels on it and I've got steering on it. It goes that way, air comes out this way. And I wanted to see if putting a restrictor on it would improve the power output. I don't want to spoil it for you, but it doesn't work. So first thing we'll do is we'll just try it as it is. Oh, there's no brakes on it, so I can't stop it. I'll have to go and collect it again. Yeah, it's been laying on the desk for quite a long time, and I wanted some wheels the other day, so it caught my eye, and I was going to use the wheels for something else, and then I thought, why don't I print the restrictor and see if it makes any difference? So the idea is that just funnels the air into a thinner jet. So I'll get this on. It does fit, but I've got to be quite forceful with it. There we are. Okay, so nothing else has changed. We've just restricted it to try and get a smaller jet coming out the back. Now, obviously, we could spend a lot of time designing different shaped bell shapes and that to improve the airflow. This was just quick and simple. So, full power. And the answer is no, it doesn't help. It may be that I've restricted it too far. But it certainly does not help. The tube itself is already slightly restricted. I don't know if you can see there. I think this is about 50 something millimeters, and that's probably about 60 at that end, maybe even 70 where the fan is. But I'm running it on a 3S battery, and that just doesn't help. I suppose, being as we know that doesn't work, I could just chop some of it off to give us a slightly bigger output. I've chopped that bit off the end, so we've probably doubled the diameter. That's probably about 20 millimeter diameter hole now. Just push that out where we can see it. Well, at least moves forwards. I wouldn't say it was any faster than it was when we started. I've no doubt that will be an optimum size. I don't think that was significantly faster. Or, well, it's faster than it was when it was not moving at all. Oh, that's definitely faster. So, yeah, didn't help. It was worth a try, but it didn't help. Right, this is as far as I'm going to go. I've chopped that off now. That looks like that's about 30 millimeters across now. I'll just take that off again. I still think that's fastest. Yeah, so we gave it a try. I think what we had with the original was the best. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.